solve and check on this one. Now, on this one, we have fractions. There's a lot of ways you could get rid of fractions. One way to do it is to get a common denominator for all your terms. So like I got 4 and 3 in my denominator. What's a number that 4 and 3 both fit into? 12. Okay, so I want to get the bottom be 12. So you're allowed to multiply. I'm going to copy this down again. I'm allowed to multiply the top and bottom by the same number if I need to. So like, what could I multiply the top and bottom by here to make this bottom be 12? 3. Good. What can I multiply the top and bottom by here? 4. Good. Now you could do it here too. Let's do what top and bottom by what here? 2 over 1, right? So 12. Okay. There's other ways to do this as well, but this is just one way. So one way is to get a common denominator. Okay. So I'll distribute 3x plus 6 divided by 12 minus, I'm going to put this in parentheses, 4x minus 4. Well, actually, wouldn't it be better if I could distribute -4 or just distribute +4 and keep the minus sign? What would y'all rather do? I can make this a plus and distribute -4. Might be, I'll just keep it like this. Okay. So it'd be -4, but I distributed +4, so I'm subtracting this whole quantity. Probably would have been easier to distribute -4. That makes it a little tricky keeping up with these signs. So I'll make that a little harder. So now if I have a common, like let's say I have 1/3 plus 1/3. What's 1/3 plus 1/3? 2/3. So if I have the same denominator, I could just combine the numerators. In this case, I'll subtract like terms. What's 3x minus 4x? -1x. This is why what I did was not a great decision. 6 minus -4 would be what? 6 minus 10, so it'd be -1x plus 10 divided by 12 equals 24 divided by 12. Okay, so fraction equal fraction. Pause there for a moment. If I have a fraction equal to a fraction, they have the same bottom. What can I do with the bottoms? Cancel them out. So I can cancel out the 12s. I'll pause there for just a moment. Now what can I do? There are other ways to do this. Actually, in Algebra 2, I teach like 4 different ways to do this problems. Or 3 different ways. Then what do I do? Divide by -1, divide by -1, -14. I could check that. You gotta be careful if you have variables on the bottom. I tried to save that for later. This book is like insane how it wants you to like start off doing the rationals right off the bat. I'm like, I'm not doing that right off the bat. Divided by 3. So it's -3 minus -5, which is 2. So it's -3 minus -5, which is 2. So